Hey, Learning Leopards, today is Tuesday, May 19th, and it is time for sound work. So let's go ahead and get started with today's rhyme. Today's rhyme is inch, thinking of words that rhyme with inch. Finch, pinch, cinch, clinch. See if you can think of any more. All right, let's move on to our beginning sounds. I say the word, you say the word. We say the first sound together. Here we go. Chili, chili, ch. The, thermos, thermos, chewing, chewing, ch, shampoo, shampoo, sh, thankful, thankful, th. Nice job. All right, blending sounds together. Remember, this week it got a little bit harder. We might not just do 3, we might do 2, we might do 3, we might do 4. So be really remembering those sounds as you say the sounds, blend them together. Here we go. Ready? Chop, chop. Throw, throw. Went, went. Crash, crash. Third, third. Best, best. Shape, shape. Such, such. Nice blending. All right, remember this week we're doing ending sounds. We're going to punch it out. We're going to say the word, say that last sound. So I say the word, you say the word, and then we punch it together, and then we'll say that last sound that we hear. Teach, teach, teach. Last sound, ch, ch, ch. Push, push, push. Last sound, sh. Beneath, beneath, beneath. Health, health, health. Finish, finish, finish. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Last sound, sh. Lots of those 2-letter digraphs this week. All right, get your choppers out. Ready? Here we go. These, ease, chief, chief, thin, thin, in, mind, mind, mind. Sheets, sheets, eats. Thumb, thumb, them, them, shine, shine, shine. Wild, wild, wild. Left, left, left. Nice job. Okay, I'm going to give you the rhyme or the ending. We'll put on an onset, a beginning sound, and figure out what the word is. Here we go. Eek, eek, add ch, cheek. Air, air, add th, there. I add sh, shy. Ert, add sh, shirt. Earn, add ch, churn. Nice job. Now we're going to take that onset or beginning sound off. Here we go. Sharp, sharp without sh is arp. Choose, choose without ch is ooze. Shave, shave without sh is ave. Throw, throw without th is row. Thorn, thorn without th is orn. Nice job. Now we're going to change that beginning sound and see what the new word is. Ready? Spill, spill, change sp to ch, chill. Swell, swell, change sw to sh, shell. Drum, drum, change jr to th, thumb. Smart, smart, change sm to ch, chart. Skin, skin, change sk to th, thin. Nice job. All right, here we go. Today we're going to go through just the letter names, and then we'll go through just the sounds. Okay? All right. Ready? Letter S, X, I, Z, A, B, W, L, T, H, M, C, R, F, N, J, sorry, I'm trying to hold them as still as I can, O, K, Y, D, W, H, G, S, H, U, V, H, Q, P, E, T, and C-H. Let's go through and do the sounds. Ready? Here we go. S, X, the beginning of a word, Z. I. Second sound, I. Z. Ah. Second sound, A. B. W. L. K. Second sound, S. R. J. Ah. Second sound, O. K. Y. At the end of a word, it might say E or I. D. G. Second sound, J. Sh. Second sound, U. V. Qu. Second sound, E. T. Ch. Nice job. Let's take a look at our poem today. Okay. Today we're not going to introduce any new lines, but we're going to be thinking about the words that rhyme. Okay, you ready? Read the title with me. Starlight, star bright. Here we go. Starlight, star bright, the first star I see tonight. So all I want you to think, if you can find any words in our poem that rhyme, that sound the same at the end. I hear light and bright, and also the word tonight. Let's read it again and listen for those rhyming words. Starlight, star bright. Here we go. Starlight, star bright, the first star I see tonight. And we talked about how sometimes rhyming words have the same letters at the end. Sometimes they don't, but let's look. Here we go in light, I-G-H-T. Let's look at bright, bright, I-G-H-T. Let's look at tonight, tonight, I-G-H-T. You hear that "ite" at the end. Light, bright, tonight. Excellent work today. See you tomorrow.